Ever wish healthy breakfasts could taste like dessert, but without all the guilt? Well, get ready to revolutionize your mornings. Let's make it happen with this incredibly delicious and nutritious Greek yogurt protein bowl. It's so easy to make, you'll be wondering why you haven't tried it sooner. First up, grab a bowl. Choose one that makes you happy, maybe your favorite color or design. Now, for the star of the show, add a hearty scoop of thick, creamy Greek yogurt. Opt for plain, unsweetened yogurt to control the sweetness yourself. Next, sprinkle in a generous handful of your favorite granola. Look for varieties with nuts and seeds for added nutrients. This is where the magic happens, providing that irresistible crunch that will wake up your taste buds. Now pile on the fresh fruit. Think juicy berries bursting with flavor, like blueberries and strawberries. Don't forget some sliced banana for natural sweetness and potassium, or even a few chunks of tropical mango for an exotic twist. We're talking a symphony of color and a burst of flavor in every single bite. But hold on, we're not quite done yet. Drizzle a spoonful of honey for that touch of natural sweetness, adding just the right amount of deliciousness, then add a pinch of chia seeds for a boost of texture and nutrients. These tiny seeds are packed with protein and omega-3s, giving you that extra boost to power through your day. Want to take the protein power up a notch? Toss in a few crunchy nuts like almonds or walnuts, or add a decadent swirl of your favorite nut butter for a creamy, satisfying element. Not only is this bowl incredibly delicious and packed with protein and probiotics, but it'll keep you feeling full, focused, and energized all morning long. Say goodbye to that mid-morning slump. No sugar crash in sight. So ditch the boring, bland cereal that leaves you wanting more and make breakfast your absolute favorite meal of the day again. It's quick, it's customizable to your liking, and it's totally, utterly delicious. Your day truly deserves this protein-packed upgrade. So give it a try tomorrow. You'll wonder what took you so incredibly long to discover this breakfast game changer.